Hey guys, welcome back. Behind me is a 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse, most famously known for the Fast and the Furious, the original movie, maybe your local scrapyard where it's been rusting out in these particular areas. But we're gonna save this car, we're gonna get the motor pulled, we've got a big turbo, and a lot more to come, so stay tuned. We're going to drain the transmission fluid. So that's the drain plug there. And then your fills over here. Drain that. Just because it's starting to leak with the axles out now. So we're going to drop the downpipe. And the best way I found to get them off, just with these rubber hangers that are right here, is they get a little stiff. So we leave them up a little bit. And they should slide right off. I feel like Bruce Willis and Die Hard. I probably should have left that hanger on, but you live and you learn, because look at the floor. The joys of epoxy. The GSX transfer case has 5 bolts. One up on top here, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So the idea is we're gonna undo those, slowly lower this down this time, and then we can slide this right off the drive shaft without having to drain it. There'll probably be some fluid that comes out. This can stay mounted up. It's just a lot easier than trying to pull all that down and then do all this, because it's going to go back in. We just need to clean up space, and this also gives us the benefit of getting to our nice leaky steering rack, which you can kind of see up in here is very wet. So, and then we can convert that to a manual rack. So just a lot of steps to get to where we want to go. So let's get this dropped. Motor's coming out. We're going to take out this bolts here, get a couple here to take out, and then there's This one over here. That one's already out, obviously with the bar. So we'll get these out. We've got this connected to take the weight when this drops. I am missing a bracket right here, which makes this a little bit easier. Did get the Boosted Fabrications bracket for pulling out, that didn't sound right, but we're pulling out the motor. If you go on their website, actually the photo they have showing this bracket is on this motor before it went in, so. Okay, so this is out, bottom bracket's out. This is undone. That's all we got left. We got the engine out. We did a little bit of work off camera. So brake booster, steering rack, everything essentially here. Torsionary valve for the brakes. It's all pulled off. We have to go a little bit further, take out just the heater box under the dash, just to get these last little items out. I don't know if we're gonna drop the coilovers yet. Just a couple little things, but it's officially cleaned out. So motor's on a stand. We have to get it actually transferred over to, actually need to get it on this stand, but we have something else over here in the meantime. That's for the next one. That's our core, but right now, this is how it sits. So I'm gonna get a puller, get this pulled out. It's a little stuck. Questions and comments just on the actual motor itself. So 4G63, we sent it to MA Performance. It is a 98 split thrust. We've done just a whole list of things here, but just kind of off the top of the chart. So Mainly turbo tough I-beam rods, ACL bearings, Wesco pistons, ARP main studs. Oil pump was redone, mainly forged race series 88mm crank. Stage 1 cylinder head, so it was Brian Crower Springs titanium retainers. Ferro valve guides, Supertech valve seals, ARP head studs, Brian Crower stage 2 cams, they're 268 by 272s, and then a Mitsubishi metal MLS head gasket. Moving over to the transmission, so there's a stage 3 South Bend clutch inside. There's billet shift forks from Jacks, including new synchros, and then there's a light and flywheel. So guys, let me know what you want to see in the comments. Do we paint the car? Do we wrap the car? What color are we going to do the brakes? There's something else we have to get off, so get the rear calipers over, but need some help trying to decide on the color. Am I just going to paint this black? Just spray the whole front end black? Just do it all in here, same color? I know lots of choices to make, but drop comments below what you guys want to see. Next video, we're going to start shaving the engine bay, and hopefully we'll have a color chosen by then, so we'll see you in the next one.